edition of BOBCAST where we will discuss R&D expenses. The new tax law, One Big Beautiful Bill, made some changes to the treatment of R&D costs. Kayla, what are the changes to the R&D expenses?
The previous law required all R&D expenses to be deducted over 5 years starting in 2022. The new law allows businesses to deduct all their domestic R&D expenses in the same year incurred starting in 2025.
Does this mean that all R&D costs incurred from 2022 through 2024 are required to be written off over 5 years?
Yes, that was the required treatment for those years. However, the new law provides special relief for small businesses to immediately deduct the expenses that occurred in those years.
What is a small business for this purpose?
You qualify as a small business if your average gross receipts for the 3 prior years are below $31 million for 2025. However, the threshold amount is slightly lower in earlier years.
How do small businesses make the changes to the prior years?
Small businesses have 3 options to make this change. They can amend the prior year tax return to deduct all the R&D costs incurred that year. The next option is to deduct all the remaining R&D costs in 2025. The last option allows small businesses to deduct all the remaining R&D costs equally in 2025 and 2026.
What are the options for businesses that are not small businesses?
All businesses can deduct the remaining R&D costs from the previous years in 2025 or equally in 2025 and 2026.
Kayla, thank you for explaining the changes to the R&D expenses. You've made this Bobcast truly Bobalicious.
Thanks, Gary.
Businesses with R&D expenses have some decisions to make before they file their 2025 tax returns.
Definitely.
Thank you for watching this episode of the Bobcast. Until next time, so long.